Okay, the train. I was just going to do a last clip here and take the train. Slowly moving. This is probably about the end clip here, just to let you know, folks. Sorry, this is still another continuation apart from that Southern Railway train just came in here 3 minutes ago. Yeah. I'm not going to hang all day here. Just wanted to figure maybe this might be the last clip here, but apparently not. Must have stopped part of the switch or so. Yeah. Or maybe another train in the on Anacis Island. Maybe they're switching, so this train had to stop part way. I don't know, but maybe a switch to have to throw before they can continue on here. Looks like it'll be near the end, anyways. Happy Friday. Just hearing a train coming. Yeah. Didn't figure it would be a train, but there sounds like the 106 engine, or it could be, unless it's the MP. Must be right near close to Stanley and UNO. Yeah, coming. Oh, that's a long whistle burst. I can hear it through the house. I don't even have to open the window. The whistle is loud enough. You can just see the train rolling through now. Yeah, GP9 106 looks like, yeah. There's another GP, probably the 106 and the 121, and then the SW900 for power. The long train, I'm just gonna probably just get part. I think last night that was the engine that came through from the yards before we went back to Westminster late last night. Was probably that SW900 with the other two GP9s. Yeah, most likely went for the return trip back to New West that time. Just filming a little bit here and there. Okay, just hearing the Southern Railways 106 and the 121 and the SW900 engine probably returning back to New Westminster, so that's okay. I'll come back with more freight again, where that comes from. Happy Friday, late evening now. Whoopsie, pardon me for this Friday evening when I just mentioned. Actually, the engines are, it looks like hitting a light power and heading to Anacis Island, so they must have left a little while ago. Yeah, probably the time I was listening to my music or so. Yeah, the train's just... Yeah, it's heading to the island with a little freight perhaps or so. Oh well. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's racks. Yeah, bringing racks again. So, well, they're sure busy, so I must have missed a train on a little while ago. Oh well. Just heard whistle. I wasn't sure. Thought the train was leaving from Anacis heading back to New West, but I correct myself wrong. Another train heading to the island. Well, they're sure busy from the late night here. Yeah. Well, I mean, another. So here we got a mixed compilation and some pictures and whatnot from other various railroad and stuff. So please enjoy. So interesting.